Hi dear students, today onwards I am going to explain some fundamentals of chemistry for the students who are going to join in 11th class. Without wasting time, let us start. In lower classes, that is in 9th and 10th classes, you might have studied the structure of atom. You know that atom consists of fundamental particles, particularly protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons are positively charged, neutrons have no charge, electrons have negative charge. Protons and neutrons are located at the center of the atom called nucleus, and protons and neutrons are collectively called as nucleons. These particles are called subatomic particles or fundamental particles. Now let us discuss some important values of these fundamental particles, that is masses and charges of these three particles. First of all, let us take electron. The mass of electron is very important value, note down, 9.170 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Here 10 raised to minus 31 kg is a very small value, whereas the charge of electron is minus 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. Now let's come to proton. Mass of proton is 1.673 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Here, if you compare the mass of electron and mass of proton, you might have observed the difference. Mass of electron is 10 power minus 31 kg, mass of proton is 10 power minus 27 kg. What's the difference? 10 power minus 31, 10 power minus 27. Which one is higher in value? Mass of proton is very higher. How many times? 10,000 times. That is 10 power 4 times. Mass of proton is 10,000 times greater than electron. So when we compare the mass of electron and proton, mass of electron is almost negligible in comparison with the mass of proton. Next, whereas the charge of proton is plus 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. Here you may observe one more similarity. Charge of electron and proton both are same. 1.602 in 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs, 1.602 in 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. But here we are differentiating with minus and plus these two respectively. That means these two are having same charge with opposite symbols. So we generally call electron has 1 unit negative charge, protons have 1 unit positive charge. Next come to neutrons. Mass of neutron is 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. So it is almost same to proton. 1.673 into 10 raised to minus 27 proton, 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilograms neutron. When it comes to charges, it has zero charge, no charge. Neutrons have no charge, they are neutral particles. So here the most important part is the masses and charges of protons and electrons are very important. Next come to atomic number. Atomic number is a very simple definition. Atomic number means number of protons present in the nucleus. That's all. Very simple definition. Number of protons present in the nucleus. It is represented by the symbol Z. Mass number. It is represented by the letter capital A. It is the sum of the number of protons and number of neutrons present in the nucleus. That means P plus N. P plus N. Number of protons plus number of neutrons. Next, from these two, number of neutrons can be calculated from A minus Z. That is mass number minus atomic number. Next come to some fundamental definitions like isotopes, isobars, isotones. Here these isotopes you might have studied in 9th class. Okay, once again we will recall it. Next, isobars and isotones. Here, what are isotopes? Before going to the definition, let us take a small example, that is isotopes of carbons. Here, 3 isotopes of carbon I have written, that is carbon 612, carbon 613, carbon 614. What is the similarity and what is the difference? Here, similarity is all the 3 representations have same number of atomic number. Here, the similarity is all the 3 carbon atoms have same atomic number. That means equal number of protons, 6 protons. Obviously, they will have 6 electrons. Number of protons 6, number of electrons 6, and let us find number of neutrons. How to find number of neutrons? Number of neutrons can be calculated from the difference between mass number and atomic number. Here was the mass number, here 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Here number of neutrons, 13 minus 6, 7. Here number of neutrons, 14 minus 6, 8. That means isotopes have same atomic numbers but different mass numbers. What are isotopes? The species having same atomic number but different mass numbers are called isotopes. Then what makes the difference in mass number? The main difference in the mass number is due to the difference in the number of neutrons. See, in the first isotope there are 6 neutrons, in the second isotope 7, in the third isotope 8. Next come to isobars. Here see the example: sodium atomic number 11, mass number 24. Magnesium atomic number 12, mass number 24. Here they are having same mass numbers but different atomic numbers. Different atomic numbers means the number of electrons and protons are different. Electrons in sodium are 11 and protons also 11. Electrons in magnesium are 12 and protons also 12. Then what's the difference? See here, they have different number of electrons and protons. Here we no need to discuss about electrons actually. So number of protons 11 in sodium, 12 in magnesium. Now let us try to find number of neutrons. Number of neutrons in the given isobars: 24 minus 11. 24 minus 11, that is 13. Number of neutrons in a magnesium isotope: 24 minus 24 minus 12, that is equal to 12. That means they have different number of neutrons also. That means electrons are different, protons are different, neutrons also different. Then what is the similarity? Here they have same mass numbers but different atomic numbers. So simple definition for isobars is species which are having different atomic numbers but same mass number. Note down this point. Next, third one, isotones. Isotones. This also we can understand by observing the given examples. Here 2 isotones I have given. In the first set, boron and carbon. Here boron atomic number 5 is mass number 12. Boron 12 I have taken. Carbon atomic number 6 and at mass number 13. Carbon 13 I have taken. So here both are having different atomic numbers, 5 and 6 respectively, and different mass numbers, 12 and 13. Now let's find the number of neutrons in both of these. So first in boron, number of neutrons are 12 minus 5, that is 7. In carbon 13 isotope, number of neutrons are 13 minus 6, that is number of neutrons are 7. That means both are having same number of neutrons. Different atomic numbers, different mass numbers, but having same number of neutrons. They are called isotones. Isotones means the species which are having different atomic numbers and different mass numbers but same number of neutrons, they are called isotones. So finally, once again I will give the definitions of these 3 briefly. Isotopes. Species having same atomic numbers but different mass numbers are called isotopes. Here they have different number of neutrons. Isobars have different atomic numbers but same mass numbers. They have different neutrons, different number of neutrons. That means both isotopes and isobars have different number of neutrons, but isotones have same number of neutrons, but there is a difference in number, atomic number and mass number. Okay.